In this video, you will learn how to create an expense report for blanket mileage. After logging into Concur, click on Requests. Select the request you created for blanket mileage. Click Create Expense Report. Click Add Expense. Select Personal Car Mileage. The transaction date will be the last day of the month for which you are requesting mileage reimbursement. For example, for March mileage, enter March 31st. Click on the mileage calculator. This takes a moment to load. In our example, the traveler visited one location on one day, then visited two locations on the next day. For the first day, enter the starting address. Hit Tab and it will populate the complete address. Then enter the destination. This traveler returned to campus after that, so check the box to make it round trip. Now do the same for the second day. It will use the previous address, in this case, the campus, as the starting point for the next trip. In this case, the traveler visited two locations before returning to campus. Once you've added all driving trips for that month, click Add Mileage to Expense. You'll see it is filled in your to and from locations, which will be your starting point on day 1 and your ending point on the last day. It also populated the total miles and the reimbursement amount. You will also need to select your vehicle here. This gets set up in your profile. If you have not yet completed your profile, please do so ASAP. Click Save Expense. You'll notice you have an alert. Click on the Alerts section at the top and you will see a reminder to visit the Risk Management website to ensure you have completed all responsibilities to use a private vehicle for work. You can highlight this, then open it on the web to review the documentation. Once you've verified you have completed the risk management requirements, click Submit Report.